Organic chemistry question from Feb March 2020 session. Petroleum is a useful natural resource. The diagram shows how a fraction distillation of a petroleum can be done. So we have refinery gas, gasoline, kerosene, diesel oil, fuel oil, lubricating oil. A and B are the missing fractions. So what A and B can be? One is a naphtha, another one is, here we can have a naphtha and B will be bitumen. What is the name of this process? What we call? We call that as a fractional distillation. Then name the fraction, leave at A. So that is naphtha. You have to learn the order for all these fractions: gasoline, naphtha, kerosene, diesel, fuel oil, lubricating oil, and B will have bitumen. So here we'll have a naphtha and bitumen. Learn the order. Refinery gas is a mixture of a hydrocarbon. One refinery gas is butane, C4H8. Suggest the name of other refinery gases. So refinery gases usually contain, because as the number of the carbon decreases, the boiling point also decreases. So refinery gases usually contain, like example, 4 or less carbon. So if one is butane, then there will be 3 carbon, means propane will be there. Then there will be 2 carbon, ethane will be there. 1 carbon, methane will be there. So other 2 refinery gases, we can mention propane and ethane. Write a chemical equation for a complete combustion of a butane. If we burn butane completely, C4H10, if we burn completely, as a result, it produces carbon dioxide and water. But a complete combustion, whenever it is a complete combustion, we have to balance the equation. For combustion equation, start with carbon followed by hydrogen and at the last oxygen. So 4 carbon, we'll put 4, carbon is balanced. 10 hydrogen, so we put 5, hydrogen is balanced. And what about oxygen? 4 multiplied by 2, 8 plus 5, 13. So we need 13 oxygen. How we can make 13 oxygen here? So it means it will be 13 by 2, or we can say 6.5. Name a toxic gas produced by incomplete combustion. So that is a carbon monoxide. Gasoline and kerosene are both fuels. They have different properties. Describe a difference in the property viscosity. So gasoline and kerosene. Remember, when we go down the group, down in this series, the viscosity increases. So we are comparing the kerosene with gasoline. So which is a petrol? One is a gasoline, another one is kerosene. So what happened to viscosity as we go down? The viscosity increases. It becomes more thick, more viscous. So kerosene will be more viscous. And few, like as the number of the carbon also increase, but as the number of the carbon increase, flammability decreases. Like it needs more oxygen for a complete combustion. So this one is easy to burn and this one is difficult to burn. So when we compare the viscosity, which will be more viscous, so kerosene will be more viscous, and which will be more flammable, gasoline will be. What is the difference? What difference in the molecules of gasoline and kerosene cause the difference in the property? So basically, kerosene contain more carbon. Greater the number of the carbon, greater the viscosity. So the number of atoms are different. Number of carbon atoms are different. That's why they have a different viscosities. And hydrogen fuel cell can be used to power vehicles. So hydrogen reacted with oxygen, so H2 plus O2 gives H2O. We have to write a word equation. So word equation, hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. So this was from May 2020 session.